Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to copy data from one database to another. In this example I will be using SQL Server Database as a target database and MySQL as a source database. This tutorial just demonstrates the principle how it works. Once you understand it, you should be able to work with any databases. Let's start from creating new transformation. Let's call it copy. It's not going to use the validator because we have nothing to validate. Let's set reader properties. So connection type is MySQL. Connection name is demo. Select source of table, people. We can also write a SQL if it is what we want. So to format grid. Okay, next step is to set writer properties. So our data target type is MS SQL Server. Connection name is demo. And table name is people. Also would like to truncate it before importing the data. And let's do the actual mapping. We'll just use automap. Yes, that's better. And we also need to reformat date fields. Date of birth, because we need to change it. So our source format is this one. If your data is already in that format, it's called standard DBC format, there is no need to apply date format function. You can just load it into the database. Okay, let's try running it. All we need to do is to press green arrow. And we loaded 100,000 rows in approximately 1 second. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please post them on our support forum and we'll do our best to help you. Bye.